hello and welcome back. Bringing to you another dish using mincemeat. But before that, hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Keema Chavali. This is a side dish that goes along with chapatis, rotis or any flatbreads. This dish is prepared using long beans and keema. Let's get into the video. We will take a medium pan and we will preheat it. 50 ml of refined oil. Now once the oil is warm, we will add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 strips of curry leaves and 1 medium onion chopped. Once the onion is fried to glossy, we will add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt for taste. We will also add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry till the rawness of the ginger garlic paste is gone. One medium-sized tomato finely chopped. Once the tomatoes are cooked, we will add 250 grams of minced meat. Cook the meat till the meat starts splitting, and once the meat starts splitting, we will add half a kilogram of long bean finely chopped. Do not add any extra water to it. The meat and the beans will get cooked with water that is extracted from the meat. We will close it with a lid and we will cook it on lower flame for 10 minutes. Now this has been cooking for almost 10 minutes. We will open up the lid and see if the beans are cooked. The beans are cooked and there's a little bit of water left. So what we will do right now is we'll increase the flame and we will cook it till the water drains. Keema Chavali is ready. Hope you loved this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.